Ready to access your Hyatt Connect employee account and stay connected with your workplace? Discover an easy-to-follow guide on how to log in to Hyatt Connect and access important resources hassle-free. Whether you're a Hyatt employee, manager, or HR representative, Hyatt Connect has you covered. Let's get started. Before we begin, please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thank you. First, open your browser and enter www.hyattconnect.com into the address bar to access the website. You'll sign in from the Microsoft system. Enter your email, phone number, or Skype ID here. Click Next. Then on the next page, enter your password and click on the Sign In button. If you don't remember your password, click here to reset it. Don't forget to support our channel by liking this video, leaving a comment with your feedback, and subscribing for more informative tutorials like this one. Your engagement fuels our commitment to providing valuable content. Questions or need further assistance? Drop us a comment below and our team will be happy to assist you. Thank you for choosing Logan Page as your trusted resource for all things Hyatt Connect employee login.